Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Buyhatke, is that how you pronounce that? On your iPhone, on your Android, or this is just an app people use. It's to save items that you can buy. There's also a lot of prices here, discounts on products. You can see your spend lens here. There's stores, groceries, food and drink, e-commerce, lifestyle, and travel. You can even add a store here. So let's do, I don't know. Oh, there's actually not that much, if I'm being honest. Actually, maybe you can search more here. There's also price history, smart deals, AI smart deals created just for you. It's basically pretty much an AI shopping assistant kind of that can help you find the best deals and prices for a product. I don't know why it's loading, it's so long. It says discover your favorite products across Flipkart, Amazon, and more. So let's find, I don't know if it's gonna show or not. Okay, I don't know why it's taking this long to load. Which categories do you usually shop from? How do I update that? Oh, here it is. Okay, I can't press on it. Well, you should be able to edit preferences on deals. I think it's just my internet right now that's not working as well. There's also watch lens. Oh, you can sync your Netflix or your YouTube here as well. I don't know what it's for though. Then you can even participate on these ones. No price alert yet. I don't know why these smart deals are still loading. Oh, it's because I don't have notifications on for that. You can search or paste a product link. So I'm just going to search for instance, this product here. Okay, again, with the loading. Well, it should have loaded by now, but basically this app is just for you to find good deals on products. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Hold on. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.